Alright, like I told you before, I have already placed down my first block, and I've already buttered my other block. So we grab it, put that in place, tap down, tap on that. Now we grab our level, make sure that they are leveled up. Here we are. Let's do one more little tap. Get the other side set. This one's going to come here. The other one's going to go by. I'm going to go this way. Drop the mortar in there. And as you put down your mortar to set this one this way, then that one's going to buck into there. You should put a lot underneath there. Now the next 3 courses as we come up are not going to be much, just like we typically butter in a block, so it's not going to be that bad. So let's butter for the one that's going this way as well too. So I'm using 4 blocks and intertwining, and you keep this pattern and keep going, tying in all the way up to the top, the leveling, and you fill it with concrete. Alright, so that should be enough. Now butter my block. I'm putting it here so you can see me butter it. In other videos I've shown when I say butter, this is what I mean. Of course, if you weigh block, you know what I'm saying. But for those who want to learn it, other things, you want to be wearing gloves. I didn't put no gloves on, so no big deal. Alright, so put this down here. Remember, this big cup piece here is where you want up. So when you pull on it, not down here. Down here is slippery. Up here, you want to cup that. Lay it like a 45-degree angle and go down. And you have it. So next one in there. Alright, we're going to check the level again. And it's saying it needs to go down, so that's a good sign. So I'm going to tap on that with my hammer's head. This end here, bring that down. Bring that down. Tap that in. Check for level again. It's much better. That's what we want. Now let's get our next one in place. The back one to make that 4th connection. Put a little more mud out there. Now let's butter it to hit over here. Rest it on there. That can't hurt it. Now this end, put that in. So now let's butter it. Now, put our final one in here, and then we have the tie in there. I'm sure some of you will be saying I shouldn't have bothered that, but you don't have to. Press down on it. And you're going to level as the course goes along. Get it close. Alright, so that needs to go down in the back here. Then we'll level. Alright, that's close enough. And you just move on to the next course.